We're gonna start off with budget lentil soup. Imagine you're on vacation, you just moved into a house, you went to a friend's place, and there's literally no ingredients. The cost of this recipe includes every single ingredient that you need to make this dish. Literally nothing else.
Life can be a struggle, but a good meal doesn't have to be. We can make creative, nutritious, and inventive dishes that won't break the bank. We'll eat well and save money, because that's what we do. Welcome to Struggle Meals.
So we're gonna start off with carrots and onion because you can buy them individually. I'm cutting off the ends, and we'll save these in the stock bucket. Even these ends can give us flavor in the future in fortifying a store-bought stock or making our own stock if we really build up those reserves high enough. Okay, cool, so we've got our carrots. Now, I don't have any oil. I'm not about to go buy a bottle of oil because there goes my whole budget. If you've got a packet of butter, absolutely use it. But if you have nothing, it shouldn't stop you from making soup. So I have nothing. I'm putting my carrots into a naked pan. Here comes an onion into the stock bucket. All right, this onion's going in. It's making me cry, but the soup's gonna be beautiful. Gonna give this a stir here. You know, the carrots and onions are naturally releasing oil, so they're both sort of being steamed and grilled at the same time. Is it the same as a saute? Absolutely not. But it's still dehydrating and intensifying flavors, so it's worth doing this step even if you don't have a fat to cook in. Now we're gonna rinse our lentils. This bag right here will yield quite a bit. I'm gonna save the other half of this for another time. It is included in my price today, but you know what? We get more meals for the things that we bought. That's fantastic. Lentils are affordable, they've got a lot of protein, and they're high on nutrition. A quick rinse could just basically clean them off a tiny bit, which is nice. Coming in with our lentils. We're gonna add some tomatoes to this dish, and I've got fire roasted tomatoes because they've got even more flavor. Very nice. Let's put them in. Oh, you can smell it right away. Because I don't have access to traditional seasonings, I'm trying to build up flavor wherever I can. That's why I'm using fire roasted tomatoes. More flavor. I found a packet of taco seasoning. This is our salt, this is our pepper, this is our spices. It's gonna make everything taste better when you don't have salt and pepper. On this budget, I just can't justify buying an entire thing of spices to use a teaspoon. So I'm using a taco seasoning packet because it's got spices and it's got salt. Therefore, it'll be the majority of our flavor for this dish. So we've got flavor, we got spices. We're dropping the stock, which in this case is water. Drop the water! Oh, it's not as fun as the stock. There's nothing in it. I want a refund. We're bringing our soup up to a simmer. Everything we need for a delicious meal is in there. While that happens, we're gonna make our rice. Rice is an affordable grain. It lasts a very long time if you don't use all of it right now, and you can also purchase it in dry bulk. 2-to-1 water to rice. Boom. We're gonna have some leftover rice for another meal. Isn't that fantastic? Yes, it is. We'll bring this up to a simmer as well. All right, this is boiling now. I'm gonna turn it all the way down to low to a simmer, and we're gonna cover it. Our soup's just about ready. Now I'm gonna add in my spinach. Because frozen spinach is already wilted down, you get a lot more bang for the buck over the fresh stuff. We don't have to cook this, we just need to warm it through, so it can be literally just a minute or two. To top off our soup, I've got a little bit of yogurt and a single lime. Both of these you can buy in single serving portions, so this is perfect for our budget. So everything's ready, let's make a bowl. We've got some rice, fantastic. And we've got our lentil soup. Ooh. We're gonna hit it with some of our yogurt. It's gonna make the whole thing nice and creamy. And finally, a wedge of lime. This is $6.99 for the entire pot of soup, plus you get extra rice and lentils for another dish. It looks absolutely delicious, it smells fantastic, and it's definitely hearty. Let's dig in. This tastes great. We've got a really flavorful soup here. We've got that taco seasoning packet that's just given us all kinds of spices and salt throughout. It's hearty, it's nutritious. We've got an incredibly affordable price, and all we had to do was make some thoughtful purchases. This is a great solution to an empty pantry.